Welcome back. 2 casualties at controversial Sunburn Festival in Kandoli Beach on Wednesday has raised many eyebrows. Sunburn organizers informed that casualties were shifted to Vintage Hospital in Panji, but hospital authorities say that they have not received any casualty from Sunburn. 2 casualties were reported at Sunburn Festival on Wednesday. Organizers maintain that the girl was feeling uneasy. Sources at venue say 2 girls from Mumbai aged between 25 to 30 started throwing up while dancing at the Sunburn party. Both were shifted by a 108 ambulance to the hospital. Organizers claim that they are officially associated with the Vintage Hospital for Sunburn Festival, and the casualties were shifted to the Vintage Hospital. When Prudent media reporter contacted Vintage Hospital authorities on Thursday, officials informed that Dr. Dubashi is out of station. Dr. Frenton D'Souza of Vintage Hospital informed that they have no tie-up with the Sunburn Festival organizers. He claimed that Goa Medical College and Hospital is associated with the Sunburn Festival. He said that casualties have been shifted to the GMC. The much-hyped 3-day Sunburn Electronic Music Festival ended on Thursday. Every year, Sunburn in Goa gets hit by a controversy for reasons like official license, casualties and so on. In 2009, Bangalorean girl Neha had died due to drug overdose, and this year too, 2 casualties have been reported. Our reporter Basuri Desai and video journalist Onkar Farari for Prudent Media. State Fire Department is in process of formulating safety measures to be adopted by the private hospitals in the state. This is on the backdrop of Kolkata AMRI hospital fire accident which killed 90 people. Fire Department has also procured sophisticated equipment to rescue people trapped in high-rise building in an event of major fire. State Fire Department has learned some lesson from Kolkata hospital fire accident. Fire Department has procured a 32-meter high state-of-the-art aerial ladder that can help in rescue operation up to 10-storied high-rise building. The aerial ladder was commissioned by the Chief Secretary Sanjay Srivastav. In Panji, Ponda and Vasco, there are up to 8-storied buildings. This has now built up Fire Department's confidence.
I am told this type machine is 40 in Maharashtra, where Maharashtra is a very developed place with thousands of high-rise building. But Goa also needs a security to be given to people.
On 9 December, more than 90 people were killed in a fire accident at Kolkata's AMRI hospital. Management of the hospital was blamed for not providing adequate safety measures in the hospital. Now, State Fire Department has decided to check fire safety standards of all the private hospitals in the state. If these hospitals do not follow the guidelines, then they would be penalized.
We will be doing the resurvey. Otherwise, hospitals, new buildings which are coming up, they are having they are recommended the individual fire protection system, and it is mandatory we ensure that it is followed.
Okay, so you will be checking all
yes,
the
all the
fire bell alarm.
No, the fire alarm systems. These are the fire protection measures which are to be installed.
Our senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kanolkar, with video journalist Devendra Gaukar. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.